I have a Samsung Galaxy smartphone and a Galaxy smartwatch. And recently I came back from a trip and I'd realized I'd left my smartwatch's charger behind. And a friend showed me how I can charge my smartwatch with my smartphone. So I thought I'd share that with you today. So first, obviously, you switch on your smartphone and then you swipe down from the top of the phone and that reveals these icons. Swipe down again and then you get a whole new range of icons. Move right across and at the very end here you'll see there's a plus sign. So you hit the plus sign. That gives you a new range of options that you can apply. Move right to the end. Look for one that says wireless power sharing. I'll just zoom in on that one for you. Here we go, wireless power sharing. So then you select that one, just press on it and drag it down into your list here. There we go. And then you press done. Now that'll be available to you. There it is, wireless power sharing. So you press on that, select it, then it gives you some instructions on how to charge. If you want to charge another phone, you just put it across the middle like that. Or if you want to charge some earbuds, or if you want to charge your watch, that's what we want to do. So you have to flip it over, but if you have a case, it's best to take the case off. So we've taken the case off, and now if we put the watch on there we go, it's charging my watch. You leave it like that for a while and your watch will become charged, or your phone or your earbuds, whatever. And obviously make sure you've got a decent amount of charge in your cell phone, and the cell phone's easy to charge. Those connections are always readily available. Now, if you found this useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any comments or questions, we'd love to hear from you. Just scroll right down to the bottom and you'll find the comment section there. Thank you very much for watching.